ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome back to the Garden State Goons YouTube channel. In case you don't know who we are, we're a bunch of idiots from Union County, New Jersey that decided to start a racing team with a minivan. Roll some footage. We started our team back in 2018. We were 18, 19 years old. We all went to automotive school together, and we decided, you know what, why not just go cheap racing? So let's get a minivan, let's put a roll cage in it, and go 24 Hours of Lemons racing. That went okay, I guess. We made it to 2 races. I can't say we ever started or finished either one, but it was a blast all the while. We have all the footage on our GoPro too. You'll see that footage coming out at a later date. But for now, we decided, hey, before we finish our main race car and go racing again, let's get a second race car. You know, that's math. Do the math. Here we are with our second car project. This is not for 24 Hours of Lemons, but this is for the off-road 24 Hours of Lemons called HooptieX. As you can see right here, this is the new project, the new whip. There's Mike. You might recognize Mike, that bearded beauty. A 2006 Hyundai Elantra, limited edition, leather seats, mint, and we are going to be rally crossing this car in about a month's time. A little background about this car is, Mike, what are you laughing about? I think this is a totally normal scenario here. Why race a car that has aftermarket parts available when you can just make it yourself? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, a little background about this car. This bad boy right here used to be my daily driver. I was T-boned in it last September. Lady ran a red light, hit my car, got totaled out by insurance. So, because me, Mike, and the rest of the Garden State Goons team were creative and stupid, we decided, what can we do with this car? Why just send it to the junkyard? Why just part it out? And we can have some fun with it. So, HooptieX announces they're coming to our side of the country, to Casterland, New York. Only a 5-hour drive. I got a truck that can tow. I say, you know what? We only got a month. Let's lift it, put mud tires on it, and go racing. So here we are. So as you can see, we already kind of started the calamity off. Here's the damage. She hit the back fender over here. And the strut tower up top is a little tweaked, but not so out of clearance that we couldn't get a new strut under here and make it fit and put a lift kit on it. Today's projects are going to include getting that coil spring off of that old strut, which you can see is tweaked. We're going to put it on the new strut. Shout out API for the strut. We're not sponsored by them, but if you're watching, love you guys. And over on this side, Mr. Sengler over here, we are going to be tackling a frozen broken bolt. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. We got a couple different projects going on today, so you'll be along for the ride. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's the idea for the lift kit. Don't mind Mike making noise over there. He's fine. So, what we're gonna do to make our lives easier is we're gonna pull the hub down like so, and then we're gonna take one bolt. We're essentially just moving it up a hole. So instead of the bottom of the tab being on the bottom of the tab on the hub, we're just gonna move it up one. So the bottom of the tab is gonna bolt to the top of the hub, and then we're gonna take steel plate and make mounts that go from here down to the bottom of the hub, hence a lift of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, we'll figure it out, but you'll see it. Okay, so as you can see, the test fit is going very well. Not really. Got a lot of camber going on there. You know what this reminds me of, Mike?
What?
This reminds me of Lightning McQueen when he's jumping through the air at the race and he's got his tongue sticking out.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Cars won and his tires are flopping down.
Oh, that's right. And then he won the race or something like that.
And he won the race by sticking his tongue out over the finish line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bear with me here. We're designing our lift kit now. Our lift kit is not state of the art. It's unique, but it's not going to work. But we're going to make it work because we're only racing for 2 days. Excuse me, Michael, you're making too much noise. All right, so here's what we're going to do. No cursing. I don't want to get demonetized. How's it going? We're taking 1/4-inch steel plate. We're going to cut pieces off of the steel plate. And we're going to mount these pieces. Kyle, if you will, please. We're going to take these pieces and bolt them 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take my straight edge here. I made a mark on the metal. I'm going to take my straight edge. We're lined up. Move it down to the mark on the metal. And then, oh, wait. Okay, sick. And we're marking it. Good enough. Time to get lifted. The gang's all here now. Honorary team photographer Justin Arnold. Chris, the car salesman. Jared, yeah. Kyle.
Let's go. Sponsor the car. Sponsor it. Let's go. 50 bucks. Get your face on the car. Get your face on the Elantra. We're going to make the Elantra drive again. Right, Jared? We're going to make it drive again.
We're going to make this car drive again.
Just to crash it. We're going to make it just to crash it. Get your face on it.
Okay. So we realized we don't have the proper size drill bit to drill holes. So, Michael.
We're going to go get a new one. Justin!
Road trip time. Time to get tools. You like tools?
Uh-huh.
Do it again. Great start. Alright, so Mike goes ahead and buys a new drill. And Justin gets a Kit Kat. And sweet tea, I apologize. All right, back to the van. Wow. I'm so used to saying the van. Holy smokes. Back to the Hyundai. All right, so we have our homemade vice grip set up here. Brand new drill.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
We're so used to saying vice grips that we forget that it's actually called a vice.
Turn off your Bluetooth again.
And turn off your Bluetooth. Daniel.
Daniel.
Gotta be Derek Jeter.
Wait,
Go so slow. This thing on? All right. Here we are, day number 2 of working on the Hyundai project. We spent the night last night getting the lift kit all measured out and cut up, so we should be good to go. We're gonna test fit it today, just for the rear end, see if everything fits, and if it fits, we're gonna ship it off to the front end and see what happens there. Chris is on his way over right now. He's gonna come give me a hand and we're gonna document all of it and see how horribly terrific it goes. We're gonna go into the mobile workshop here. Don't mind this, gotta keep it safe. Our lift kit is in this box somewhere. Oh, what do we have here? Look at this. Ooh. That right there, my friends, is a lift kit. Not that crap you buy on Amazon or eBay or at a performance show. I mean, that's not a good example of it. Not that stuff you buy online that's, you know, professionally machined, good quality. This is just get us down the track and make us survive for 2 days. Chris is here. How's it looking? So here's the first draft. It works. All we have to do is just fill in these gaps. And according to my calculations and the drawings we had on our napkins, we should.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. And bingo.
So as you can see, test fitment is going swimmingly. The reason why this is happening is because that bottom bolt never made it into the hub. I think that's a wrap for today. Day 2 in the books. Rear end is, what would you say? 65, 70% done. Day 3, coming in hot tomorrow. Better weather.
Sweater weather.
Sweater weather. Alright, here we are, day 3. Chris, back in action. We're gonna do something very stupid right now. We're relocating the Hyundai to the workshop, state-of-the-art workshop, outdoors, his driveway. We couldn't get the left rear lift done because of the broken bolt in the hub, so we have our 2.5 mile temporary fix. Gorilla. We're gonna test your product. If it can make right turns and the wheel doesn't fly off, you got a customer for life. So, let's get to work.
Reinforced.
Solid.
Christ.
Yeah, no, that's...
Okay.
Here goes nothing. See you on the other side.